Namaste traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a complete breakdown of MCX Silver, one of the most actively traded commodities on the Multi-Commodity Exchange of India. If you're new to commodity trading, this video will give you everything you need to know about silver and silver mini contracts chart. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are you trading when you trade MCX Silver? MCX offers to silver contracts. 1. Standard Silver, Silver. Lot size, 30 kilograms current March futures price. 2,44,000 rupees for the entire 30 kilograms lot. Price tick. 1 rupee per lot. Each 1 rupee movement is equal to 30 rupee profit or loss. Because 30 kilograms times 1 rupee is equal to 30 rupees. Margin required. Approximately 1.5 debt to lakhs depending on broker and market volatility. This is for experienced traders with bigger capital. 2. Silver Mini, SILVERM. Lot size, 5 kilograms. Exactly 1/6th of standard contract. Each 1 rupee movement is equal to 5 rupee profit or loss. Margin required. To 5,000-35,000 perfect for beginners and retail traders. Same market, same price movement, just smaller position size. Contract specifications. Trading symbol, silver for standard, SILVERM for mini. Contract months, March, May, July, September, December. Today's analysis, March 2026 contract quotation, Indian rupees per 30 kilograms lot delivery. Physical delivery possible, but 99% traders close before expiry. Trading hours, day session, 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. night session. Hours of trading time. Why trade silver on MCX? Silver is India's second most liquid commodity after gold. It has excellent liquidity, tight bid-ask spread, strong correlation with international COMEX prices, sensitivity to USD INR movement, seasonal demand during wedding season and festivals, Diwali, Dhanteras, Akshay Tritiya, both investment and industrial demand, used in electronics, solar panels, jewelry. For Indian traders, MCX Silver offers leverage, liquidity, and the ability to profit in both rising and falling markets. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Shellcode channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss my daily technical analysis and trading strategies for MCX commodities. Thank you for watching. Trade smart, trade safe. And remember, preservation of capital is more important than making profits. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.